After about 4 hours of working on the track, looking pretty good for tomorrow's racing. The section's a little damp yet, but it'll dry up right away in the morning. On the triples right now. The rest of the straightaway is good. S's are good. The little double we didn't work with because the S's are a little wet in that one section. This whole section in here is all re-rolled. Into by the triples all re-rolled. And then the back section back there. All re-rolled. Yeah, great day of racing tomorrow.